and welcome back to another Ipsy unboxing. This is for the May 2023 Ipsy Icon Box, which is what replaced the Glam Bag X, which replaced the Glam Bag Ultimate, I think was the original name of it. So now we are on Icon Box, and this was the first one under that new name. Unfortunately, with that new name, it's also no foam. They just gave it like this little bit of... That's our padding. That little bit there, that's all that's in there in terms of padding. There's a lot of complaints about it. Just saying. A lot of complaints. And I did check right away when this first came to see if anything came broken so I could dispute it. Unfortunately, one thing did. Hold on, let me answer this real quick. Okay, sorry about that. So anyway, yeah, there was a lot of complaints from a lot of people. Yeah, the first time I saw them use this shitty packaging, I lucked out because it didn't break anything, and that was just in, like, the Glam Bag Plus, I think. This time I did not luck out, so I was like, aw, that sucks. But it was just one item that came jacked up, and it's the one I was the most excited for, so... And, of course, they were out of it, so they couldn't replace it either, so just figures. But anyway, so, the curator of the Icon Box for May was Anastasia Beverly Hills. So, it says, Brow Down to the Queen of Glam. We have Through Thick and Thin, Flip for Anastasia's take on embracing your own unique beauty, Beauty Breakdown, check out her tips on achieving the timeless ABH look, and a beautiful legacy get to know the duo behind this booming empire. Hold on, I think a package just came. I must be tripping. Nothing out there. Don't know what I heard. So anyway, building my beautiful legacy, this year has been full of milestones, including the 25th anniversary of Anastasia Beverly Hills, and now this Icon Box collection. As I look back on the past 2.5 decades, the highlights, the struggles, the pinch-me moments, I feel incredibly proud of what I've accomplished, and my Icon Box serves as a celebration of those achievements. From day one, it's been my goal to bring high-performing products and tips to everyone, not only to help them define their brows, but also define their own individual glam. The foundation of ABH is rooted in balance and proportion. One eyebrow and one look does not fit all. By expressing your unique beauty, you will outlast any trend, I promise. And then we have like a history of the evolution of the eyebrow. You think I'm kidding. You think I'm kidding. It's like the 1930s, where the pencil-thin brows, seen on stars like Jean Harlow and Clara Bow, these ultra-thin, rounded brows had sloping tails that extended almost to the hairline. Then in the 1980s, like, we just went straight from 30s to 80s. Just forget that 50 years in there, right? Bushy brows, like all 80s trends, the bolder the better. A-listers like Madonna and Brooke Shields were known for their natural, unmanicured arches. The 1990s, skinny brows. Brow grooming is back in business, as seen by the heavily tweezed brows of Kate Moss, Lil' Kim, and Drew Barrymore. Wow, I forgot about Lil' Kim. And Drew Barrymore, some of us are still recovering. Yeah, that. 2010s, the Instagram brow. Celebrities like Kim Kardashian and Cara Delevingne ushered in the decade of strong, well-defined power brows that were the focal point of every look. And the 2020s, feathered brows, in the age of no makeup, it's all about finding the most flattering shape for you, but the natural brushed-up groom still reigns supreme. So then we have, like, mom-daughter duo Anastasia and Claudia. We dubbed these power couples, and then there's like a bunch of stuff in here that really doesn't actually matter. Some of it may be in here, so I will revert back to it, if need be. Then the Your Exclusive Invite is a palette party, and then there's all the palettes you could have gotten. Beauty Breakdown, the ABH face. And, let's see here. Basically, they say how they got this to that. We're not reading all of it. And we have A-list product picks spotted on Rodeo, and all about that base. A glam look starts with great skin. Tells us nothing about these other than names and prices. And then Anastasia takes the icon quiz. I describe my personal style as elegant, timeless, classic. A surprising item I always carry in my purse, Scotch tape. You never know when you'll need it. The eyebrow trend I hope never comes back as 1920s downward slope. My biggest indulgence, I love to collect art and curate my collection. The first thing I do every morning, drink water and make an espresso. My favorite way to unwind. I love to spend time with family and friends, whether it's at home or on vacation. Making memories with my loved ones is the best. So now to find each of these products, where it is in here and what it says about them. So the thing on top, unfortunately, is the one that was broken, and is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. What is this? It's just slide in here. I think it's just the Soft Glam 2 mini eyeshadow palette for... Or wait, no, I take that back. They didn't do this in the order of the photo. Fine, I'm opening up. It's the Primrose palette. I take it back. It's $55. Whether it's a date with your besties or the... You see it all over the inside of in here, huh? Well, yeah, that was when I knew... Ah, shit, it's broken. But yeah, whether it's a date night with your besties or date with besties. Date night with the bow, this Lush 12 shade face and eye palette helps you create endlessly romantic looks. Which would be great if it wasn't smashed all the crap. So it's a cute little quilted looking outer case. Yeah, we can see what I mean here, huh? It's usable, probably, except for that one on the upper left. Well, actually, I mean, if I'm really careful not to tip it, I might be able to just dip into it as if it were a loose powder on that one. Because it's in there, it's just crushed all to crap. If I were more skilled, I would attempt a repress. It has never gone well for me anytime I have ever tried it, though. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to try to use it as is and try not to make a huge freaking mess if I can help it. So there's that, and I'm really bummed that it came broken because I was actually the most excited about this out of everything in that box. So, was this in there somewhere? Let me look first before I show it. I don't think it was, but this was my Beauty Boost item that I chose. And it was the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. This is full size. It's a pretty big pump bottle. It's 13.5 fluid ounces, which is pretty good for a face cleanser. So on the back, Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types is an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everyday impurities and makeup, even mascara, without stripping the skin of essential moisture. The multitasking formula also works to tone, soothe, and soften the skin for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. Cool. So, that's that. I will review it at some point in time. Anyway. Then, we have, let me find it in here. Skin Ink. It's the Body Sculpt Fit Serum, and this is $32.50 for this tube, and it's on the full size. Everything in here is full size, but it's like, ooh, it's like really soft plastic, so I'm like scared it's gonna fall apart, but I know it's not realistically going to. It just feels really thin, like unnervingly thin. So there's that. Just shoot seconds here. Okay. I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in Amber. Let me see, what does this cost? $35. So, $35 bronzer. And like I said, I opened these each so I can make sure they're not busted. I think I opened from the bottom side. But yeah, even though it seemed dark to me, at first I remembered how they blend out, and I was like, oh yeah, actually that's probably about just right for me. Since I'm pale, honestly, yeah, that's about right for the contour color. So I'm like, okay, not as a blush, as the contour, for those who don't understand. Then we got, and it's kind of smashed crap on the bottom, Too Faced Killer Liner. I think just in black. Killer black. Not just black. Killer black. So this, what do we retail for? It doesn't give it... $23. I'm stupid. I looked right past it because there is a line break. $23 for this, which is crazy. Let's see. I probably should have just taken it out from the end that's already ripped open. Oh, I like the aesthetic on that. It's like 50s. I like it. I like that a lot. Okay, and just black liner, but oh, I even like the little wooden part here that you shave down is also pink. I love that. I love that. Aw, okay. There's that. I'm gonna try to not let it fall through the bottom if I can. No guarantees though, it came ripped. Then, what are we? Pat McGrath. What this is? Yes, this is the Pat McGrath Labs Liquilust Legendary Wear Lipstick. It's $32 and it's in the color Rose Divinity, which sounds really pretty. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I like everything about that. Oh, that is nice. Okay, Pat McGrath is like fancy, fancy, spendy, spendy, so I always feel lucky when I get something from them. Then we have another Anastasia stick highlighter. Where are we? I just saw you. Yes, $34 for this, and it's in the color Dripping in Gold. Ooh. Oh, look how fancy. Oh, it's got a built-in little brush. Oh my god, I didn't even know it came with a brush. And this is what the color looks like. Ooh. Very pretty. So we got that. We're almost done. We have this and one more after it. We have the MAC Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara, which, let's see, what does this cost? $26. We're not going to look at the wand, although they have a picture of it on the back. Or the bristles, I guess. I guess no, that is a wand. Duh. And this is what the tube looks like. Kind of edgy, kind of cool, kind of punk. Love that for me. And then finally, one more Anastasia. The satin lipstick in pomegranate. So this would be, where? If I can find it. $23 for this. Let's see the color. Pomegranate seems like it'd be orangey, wouldn't it? Ooh. Ooh, it's like hefty. Like, look at this. Ooh, it's got some weight to it. I like that. Even the cap has some weight. Oh, it's kind of like a terracotta, actually. Like a rosy terracotta. Oh, that's gonna be real pretty. Okay. Wow. Well, with the exception of the broken eyeshadow palette that's at least still usable, I'm pretty pleased with everything that I got. Like, this is a good selection of stuff. Now, did it come to 8? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because of Beauty Boost. So, yes, everything is there. No complaints about that. So, ultimately, pretty good for the price, since it was BoxyCharm that rolled into Ipsy, so that just automatically subscribes you to Beauty Boost because of that, for having been opted into all the tier levels, because I didn't manually opt into Beauty Boost. So that's kind of cool getting the extra, but even without that, like, it's still a good box, but with the Beauty Boost, I'm like, yeah, like, that kicks it up, like, just over the edge where I'm like, yes, that, yes. So anyway, That is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.